That gin is potent.
Hello everyone, me and Foxy are back in the kitchen and we are making
Artichokes.
So we're gonna make some stuffed artichokes.
Yes, we are.
And we're not gonna make it with dish soap and burn them like my mother did for Christmas. So.
Oh. She didn't mean to burn them.
What's wrong, Mom? I'm a little nervous that my chicken broth has bubbles. Maybe there was dish soap was in here.
Dish soap.
So we're all gonna eat soap for
Dish
Christmas.
soap.
And I'm making my artichoke stuffing with turkey stock instead of chicken stock. Shh, Lexi. And I'm cooking the artichokes in chicken broth, like you told me. See, chicken broth.
Those don't have bubbles.
No?
This definitely has some bubbles.
It's all right, a little soap won't hurt us.
Okay. We're cleansing our inner selves.
They were not good. I don't care what anybody says. Stovetop is delicious and I love it. So that's what we're using.
And I love it too.
Okay. We're gonna use stovetop, but we're gonna fancy it up a little bit. Gonna fancy it. Okay, what are we putting in the stuffing?
Olives. Garlic.
Show us the garlic.
Cheese.
Yes, we got our olives, we're putting olives, we got our garlic that's already sauteed. We saute it before we put it in here, so we're not just throwing some raw garlic in the stuffing.
Don't we start that with butter?
Yes, butter and water.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, butter. Yes, butter. It says it right on the package.
Directions right there.
1.5 cups of water and 1/2 cup of butter.
Okay. That's good.
Cheese, we're gonna throw some seasonings in there, and we're gonna stuff these babies up.
Delicious. I'm gonna love it.
Cheers
Cheers
to the artichokes.
to the artichokes.
Cheers.
Cheers to my fans. My 7,000 fans. Love you.
What's that?
What's that?
I don't know. Is that your Papa
Somebody-
tracker?
My friend dog.
Joe left home.
Oh, Joe left home.
Joe
He's
left
on his
home.
way.
Yeah.
Papa's on his
She
way.
stalks Papa
There
Joe.
he is.
There he is.
There he is.
No, don't show that.
Oh.
That's a map. That tells people where we go.
See, he's leaving.
Yeah, Papa Joe, he's leaving. He's driving 38 miles an hour. It's going too fast.
Hi, Papa. Slow down.
Driving, it tells you the street he's on too. That's
Everything.
fucking creepy. Okay, so we're using a serrated knife. Kind of like grips the artichoke a little better. So you just want to cut those tops off. And like kind of pull them open like this.
Like a flower.
So just kind of pull that open so all the stuffing gets in all the little crevices. Then I'm just going to cut the
Stem off.
cut that stem off so it sits nice and flat.
And look at that. You have all the petals.
And you have your artichoke.
And you could stuff
I
that
mean,
up.
you could sit here and snip every one of them with a scissor, but no, who has time for that? Or if you're my mother, you can smash it with a rock.
Yeah, I've
And
seen
then-
her smash
yeah,
it with a rock.
Smash it with a rock.
I've seen her. Yes.
Yeah,
But
just-
it opened.
So Mommy's cooking. What the fuck are you smashing the artichoke with? What the fuck is this?
It looks like a big squash.
It's a rock. This is how Mommy's cooking. Yep. Yep. Gourmet chef. Right here.
I'm not even stuffing these 7 bitches.
These 7 bitches.
Seen her. Yes.
Yeah,
But
just-
it opened.
Yeah, just fluff them like this.
Yeah.
A little fluffing. Okay, guys. Magic, magic, poof! We have stuffing.
You have stuffing.
So, we made the stovetop. Just read the box and follow the directions, okay? Grandma's already eating.
Good.
Right. So, just make the stovetop like the box says. We also added a little basil and oregano. Yeah. We added a little basil and oregano because, you know, you just add basil and oregano to things and it makes it Italian.
Okay.
Papa Joe's coming in and the dog's going crazy. So
Not Russian.
hold, please. Just put some basil
made it
and oregano.
Italian.
Yeah, it's
It could
Italian.
Austrian.
Austrian?
Austria came from Austria, from German, from any place, but we made it Italian.
Yeah. Put some basil and oregano on anything and boom, you got Italian.
Okay.
Not
Great.
Not Austrian.
Austria.
Austria?
Austria.
Austria.
I don't know, I just feel like saying that. I like that country.
She likes that country. She's coming to Austria. Yes. so just in case you didn't know, this is not Chinese, it's not Austrian, it's not Russian, it's not German, it's Italian. There's basil and oregano.
Okay, so that's what it is.
Okay. So Foxy, what are we gonna add to our stuffing here?
We're going to add garlic, already sauteed in the olive oil.
Yep.
We're going to add grated cheese and olives and mix it all up and poof!
So we did that together.
Yeah.
Good. All right, so we're gonna put our garlic in here. We got our sautéed garlic.
Yes, very nice. Look
Dump
at that.
that in. So
Love that
nice.
garlic.
So nice.
Love that garlic. So
All
good.
right, garlic in there.
Okay.
That's another thing. Garlic, basil, oregano. Put it in anything, and now it's Italian.
That's it. And the cheese, don't forget the
And the cheese. Nice. But not everything has to have cheese.
Yeah, I like cheese.
Well, I like cheese too, but
Okay, that's plenty.
we like cheese. Okay, and the olives.
Whoa, there's the olives.
We'll do
You
one.
gotta taste one while you're throwing it in.
Grandma eats everything before it gets to the plate.
Yes, that's why when I sit down, I'm full.
Mm-hmm.
That's what happens.
Mix it. We can put a little olive oil in here.
Yes, we shall.
Yeah, so once you start adding some stuff, it gets a little dry. So we add a little olive oil.
More olives.
Yeah, put some more olives.
Okay. Here's the olive oil right there. Oh, the eye of the eyeball. Oh, very nice, the eyeball. Looking good.
Some olive oil in there.
Looking good, everybody. Look what she's doing.
Oh, mix it.
You gotta mix it, but I want to show it off.
Oh, she wants to show it.
Yes, I want to show it off.
Okay.
Very good.
Mix and mix it.
That's going to make the artichoke taste wonderful. How come that's not on?
It is on.
Oh, it's on. Hi. I don't see the red light.
There is no red light, Grandma. There's never been a red light.
Oh, okay.
Usually I have the screen out. I don't have the screen out
Oh.
right now.
Okay. Hi. Didn't
It's
know you were
on.
watching.
They're watching. Don't worry.
Okay.
So we're gonna take the artichokes, just rub them down with a little olive oil, and stuff them up. So
We're going to show you one, and then we're going to proceed with the whole bunch.
yes, we're gonna show you how to stuff one, and then
Okay, I'll get the
Continue.
I'm going to need them. Here's the eyeballs.
yeah, fill them up.
A lot of bowls in this house.
A lot of bowls. Got eyeballs,
A lot of
meatballs, whose bowls? I don't fucking know. Yep.
I love these bowls. Look,
Nice.
how cute.
I love all the bowls.
Green eyes, orange
Orange eyes, blue eyes. We got blue over here.
Oh, I got blue here. Look at
Yeah,
this.
we got blue. Okay, so we're gonna show you how to stuff one of these things. So we're just gonna fill up your whole pan with your artichokes. Put a little olive oil on it.
That's it.
And now we're gonna stuff it.
Stuffing?
You're gonna open this thing up like this.
Right.
Rub all that olive oil in. And to take your stuffing, work over your stuffing bowl. So if any like drops in there,
Right.
you can put it back in, and you just like smush it in there.
Look at that. Just look at that.
Mush in that stuffing.
Very good, Lexi.
And you take your spoon and like run it down the side, and it gets in the leaves. Just smush it in there. In the pot. All right. So we're gonna stuff the rest of these things.
And we'll be back.
Yes, after the stuffs.
Right.
Stuffs. We gotta stuff and stuff. I need a napkin.
They look lovely. Send it to Joe. Hey Joe, look at my artichokes.
Magic, magic, poof.
Look what we got.
Okay,
Look at this.
so all of our artichokes are stuffed and they're in the pot.
Wonderful.
And now we're gonna add a couple of cloves of garlic. Let's just,
Throw it in the pot.
yeah, in the pan. And then you take your chicken stock and you fill it up like kind of halfway. You don't
Put
want
on
to.
the gas. Cover it up. We cover this.
Yes, we covered. I have to cover. It's
Come
coming.
cook. Within an hour. It'll be done.
A little longer, I think.
A little longer?
Maybe.
We'll try a leaf.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Okay.
Okay.
Get you going.
So we got all of our artichokes. They're stuffed in the pot. We're gonna add a couple of cloves of garlic.
Okay.
Right.
Want to do that?
Sure. Just gonna throw them around the pot. Just like shove them in the little
Little holes.
crevices.
Okay.
You
Do
know,
it.
you can never have enough garlic.
and I'll help you with this.
Alright, so we're gonna take our chicken stock and we're gonna fill up like halfway. Don't pour it on top of your stuffing. Excuse me.
Try to get it right in the pot.
The dogs want to be part of the video, apparently.
Yeah, and they could. They're so sweet.
So Foxy's filling up our chicken stock.
I certainly am. And just with the garlic, you add no water to this, right, Lexi?
No water.
Oh boy,
Chicken
I
stock
think
is
one
flake.
is enough.
Yeah, no, but so when you put this on the stove, the chicken stock will tend to evaporate.
Yes.
So make sure you keep it like halfway.
Keep adding.
Yeah. So if it
Right.
starts to evaporate, you just add a little more stock and you just let it keep going.
So you just
that's
want me
our-
to fill it up a little more over there?
Yeah, you can do a little more.
Okay.
Do a little more. And then we have some left over to keep refilling.
Yes, that's for refilling.
Gotta keep those artichokes hydrated.
Yes, they taste delicious. Oh my god.
Okay, that's perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. So, alright, so
good.
now I'm gonna get a cover. We're gonna cover this up and put it on the stove and just let it simmer away.
Simmer away.
Simmer away. Once that's done, we're gonna broil it for a few minutes to make the stuffing nice and crispy.
What a great cook.
Oh, thanks. I'm gonna get the cover now.
Okay. Goodbye. Where are you going down there?
Get the cover.
Okay. Oh, she's got the cover.
Got the cover. Alright, let's cover this bad boy up.
Great.
Get it on the stove.
Okay, I'll put the gas on for you. This gas?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Now-
Wonderful.
Now we just cheers.
Cheers.
Where's the Luigi board? Let's call the spirits.
There it is. That's cool. How do you call them?
I don't know. It never works for me.
This, I want to chase away too.
Who would chase it?
In case the spirits come with us. Chase them. We don't want the spirits with us. They don't want to share
How do
anything
you
with
know?
us.
How do you know they're not nice spirits?
Oh.
You thought your mother was in a fly. How do you know she
I
wants to come talk to
know,
us?
I know. Oh, forget about it. Let's call my mother.
All right, call your mother. Get the Luigi board.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah, put some garlic on it. Maybe you'll call her.
Okay.
She likes garlic?
She loved garlic.
All right, go. Put the garlic on.
Okay. Put the garlic all over. Put the garlic all over. Okay. Mommy. Come on, Mommy. Come to Alexa's house. You would love Alexa. Alexa's a cook like you were a cook. She's just fabulous. She laughs like you. Her feet are like yours.
My feet?
Yes, your feet are just like my mother's.
Yeah, we got them.
Come see Alexa.
Here's the planchette.
Okay.
It's a cookie cutter.
I don't need that for my mother.
Oh, okay. She
Don't need that.
fucking need this.
She never comes, she'll just come.
Well, where's the fly?
She's not here yet. Only in the summer they come.
Oh, only in this. Only, her mother only visits in the summer.
Only in the summer she comes and then she flies away. Right?
Right? I don't know. You told me.
I was just gonna say, right, Papa? She knows.
You could ask him. He's
Papa! Right about my mother? She's a fly in the summer?
Yep.
Yep, see, there's my proof. We don't kill it. It flies around the house, it goes around us, sees what I'm cooking, goes in my rooms, and flies out the door. Bye.
Okay, so artichokes have been on the stove for about an hour and a half ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, hour and a
Almost
half.
done.
Yeah.
Almost.
Okay, so the leaves, when you kind of pull them off, if they're tender, you just pull a leaf off and see if it's
Taste it and see if it's
good, and then
soft
that's how you
enough.
know when the artichoke's done.
Right, if you think it's too hard, you let it stay.
Leave it on.
Right.
So now we're gonna just pop them in the broiler really quick, get the stuffing nice and crispy, and then
Be
artichokes
delicious.
are ready to serve.
And they're done too. And we're gonna be finished.
Aww. Cheers to the artichokes.
Cheers with my
To the
gin.
artichokes. With
To
your
the
gin?
artichokes.
Okay.
Where?
I got the skeletons.
That's
Got the head?
They're broiling. Trying not to burn my eyelashes off.
You knocked your eyelashes off? No.
Trying not to burn my eyelashes.
Oh my god.
Hey, you open the stove, just
I think the only way you could burn them is the barbecue. You gotta watch the
no,
barbecue.
the oven too.
The oven?
Mhm.
They sizzle?
They sizzle.
They'll
And
sizzle
dizzle.
up on you.
You sizzle.
They sizzle dizzles.
They did?
They're sizzling dizzling. Cheers.
Cheers. Alright. And we're just hanging out because we're tired, right? We're tired.
It's been a long day of cooking. Done.
Oh, okay.
Poof!
Poof.
Poof!
Let's see what happens.
Magic, magic.
I don't see nothing.
I don't see nothing either.
Yeah.
I gotta
underneath.
I gotta get them out of the oven.
No. And underneath. Choke with us. What happened to your back?
Touch the fucking pot.
Oh, careful, careful. Silver nine. You got silver nine?
I didn't touch that much. It was like
okay.
the corner of my pinky.
Okay.
I hit it.
Fantastic.
Before you start off.
Fantastic artichokes. I still want to know what you pay for one in a restaurant.
Foxy wants to know how much you pay for stuffed artichokes at a restaurant. If anybody knows, let me know.
Yeah. Okay. I would never order them.
Okay, we've got our artichokes here. They are all ready to go. So me and Foxy are just gonna dig in here and taste them. We're ready?
Ready.
Let me taste them. I'll taste this one.
I'm going to taste this one.
I'll taste this one. Oh, I got two of these.
Oh.
See, chicken broth.
Makes it tastier.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
I want to eat all of these.
So you shall.
Yeah, I can't fit all of them. That's an artichoke.
Yeah. That's an artichoke, all right.
They're
Not for nothing, Mommy. You need to make good artichoke.
Yeah, sorry, Mom, you're some.
Listen, you gotta taste one of these. You gotta bring in these.
I'll bring. Mom, bring an artichoke.
Very good.
They're not very ladylike when you eat them.
So what?
They're not very dainty. You gotta get messy when you eat artichokes.
Yep. Just like ribs. You gotta get messy when you eat ribs.
And the heart is the best part, so once you get down there.
I tried cutting my ribs with a knife and fork. Doesn't work.
Well,
See you again
cheersing!
soon.
Cheersing to the
Miss
artichokes! Miss you. They're still there.
No, I missed them anyway.
Oh,
I don't see
Foxy
them.
misses you.
Send me pictures.
Okay, send the pictures.
Okay.
And let us know what you want to cook next. So leave
Okay.
some comments below. Subscribe, follow us on Instagram.
Yes.
And
What else, darling?
go cook some artichokes.
Okay, go cook some artichokes. They're so good.
Yeah, go cook some artichokes.
Okay. Bye!
Bye, Felicia! I mean, there's no rules in the whole world right now, so bitch, just pick whatever damn olives you got and put them in the bread. I'm getting like grandma. I just keep eating all the ingredients before I actually cook. Like, who does my mother think I'm cooking for? What am I supposed to do with this? My house isn't big enough for this.